I think we're winning. Sweet! Goedendag, Niffos! I'm in South Africa right now and I want to tell you about the Big Air Kite League competition that's going to be running in the coming weeks. Check out this video. Meow. So, Big Air Kite is making more competitions happen and it's all for the riders. So we want to give you guys an opportunity to get involved and help make these competitions a success. There are a couple of ways you can support, such as by purchasing the Big Air Kite League supporter tee. Now when you purchase this t-shirt, 100% of the profits go to the prize purse for the Big Air Kite League competitions. And we have other ways that you can support by simply following the link in the description below or by clicking this little card up here. Guys, be sure to follow Big Air Kite on Instagram to stay tuned with the competition, to check out that action. Thank you so much for watching and please stay tuned for more how-to videos and more Big Air related content.